Hello everyone. First open your Telegram, tap on search icon, search @major and tap on Major official bot. Tap on start, tap on know your rank. In first tab, you can see your rank and also other user rank. And for get stars, tap on friends. If you invite a normal user, you can get 15 stars. Also, if you invite a Telegram premium user, you can get 50 stars. If you tap on invite friends, you can see a list of your contact and you can invite each of them you want. Also, for gain more stars, tap on earn. In this page, you can do tasks and gain a lot of stars. For example, if you connect your account to wallet, you can gain rewards, or follow Major on X or on Telegram channel, you can get rewards. Also, with invite more friends or join to Tone channels, you can gain a lot of rewards. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.